guys, this is me Karina back again, and today I'll share with you a few tried and tested hair hacks that I follow for frizz-free and nourished hair and got the results I wanted using the viral hair serum by L'Oreal Paris. So recently I have been dealing with dry and frizzy hair a lot. I tried many remedies, many products to get rid of it, but nothing really helped. And thankfully I got to know about this viral hair serum that is by L'Oreal Paris. This is extraordinary oil serum with 6 precious floral oils. So I really wanted to see if this serum really works and if it actually stands its claims or not. And I also tried a few hair hacks with this hair serum for healthy and frizz-free hair, and it really worked for me. And I was so happy with the results that I decided to share it with you guys. Before sharing with you the hacks, I quickly want to talk about the product's USPs and features, what makes it the #1 serum in the world. So this serum gives you 24-hour shine and 24-hour softness, makes your hair 30% stronger, keeps your hair frizz-free and tangle-free as you guys can see. This has a non-sticky formula. मैंने अभी अपने hair को वो serum से ही style किया है, that I'll show you later in this video. This also protects against UV rays, humidity and pollution. This infused with 6 precious floral oils: lotus, shea, rose, flax, chamomile and sunflower, and it does whatever it says. This has become a part of my daily routine. I almost use it every day to style my hair and to keep my hair very soft, nourished and healthy. First of all, you guys can look at the packaging. It just looks so luxurious and so elegant. The consistency is very lightweight as I mentioned, and also it just smells heavenly. The pumps makes it super easy to dispense the product, and the bottle is so cute. The dark golden tone, I just love it. Now let's dive into my top 3 favorite hair hacks that I do with the help of this serum. First one I love the most is to use it before shampooing my hair for hydrated and nourished hair, following it with a scalp massage. Or if I have the time, I'll just apply it overnight and let it sit on my hair overnight. Next morning I will wash my hair, but today I didn't have the time, so I applied the serum. I took the shower. So the second hack is that when I'm shampooing my hair, I will add a few drops of the serum with the conditioner, mix it well and then apply it on my hair, and then condition my hair like normal. It gives you extra nourishment, and then after showering you can use it on your wet hair. So my third hack is using it as a heat protectant for frizz-free hair, and it doubles up as a heat protectant as well. So hi guys, मैंने अभी शावर ले लिया है. अभी मेरे हेयर सेमी वेट है. मुझे ब्लो ड्राई करना है अपने हेयर को, एंड ब्लो ड्राई से थोड़ा स्टाइल भी हो जाता है. मेरा हेयर ज्यादा वॉल्यूम आ जाता है, तो इसलिए विल ब्लो ड्राई आवर हेयर. But it is a styling tool. It has heat, so we need to protect our hair from heat. So yeah, again we'll be applying the serum. It will protect my hair from heat, and also it will just make my hair super manageable. Now I'll just quickly dry my hair. So you guys can see my hair is totally dry now, and it looks so nourished, so frizz-free. I am just in love with my hair. It looks very healthy, all because of this serum. Now after drying my hair, I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but थोड़े flyaways है ऊपर से, baby hair ऐसे खड़े हैं. तो मैं क्या करूँगी, I will take the same serum and take a few drops, and then I'll just set my flyaways with the same serum. You guys can now see how beautiful my hair looks. These are some of my favorite hacks which I do with the serum, but there are so many ways to use it. Like you can use it as a DIY spa for extra nourishment, or if your hair is colored, then you can apply it on your dry hair to enhance the hair color. As I mentioned, you can also use it as an overnight hair treatment for disciplined and frizz-free nourished hair. You can also use it before going out in the sun, so that it will protect you from harmful UV rays, pollution and humidity. This is my all-time fix for frizzy hair, to detangle my hair and to add that extra shine and nourishment, and to keep it detangled throughout the day. One more thing is, it also protects your hair from split ends. You guys saw this serum helps you in so many different ways. My one-stop solution for all my hair problems. I totally love using this serum. I use it every day. This has literally become my favorite hair product. Look at how dry and frizzy my hair looks before, but after applying, it looks so gorgeous, healthy and nourished. The cost of this serum is Rs 649 and totally worth every penny, and it also comes in 30 ml size, which is travel friendly. I highly recommend this product to try out to smoothen your frizzy hair and to give you manageable hair, to shine bright with bouncy hair. So yeah, I will put a link to this product in the description box down below. You should definitely go and check it out and give it a try and let me know how you all like it in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos like this. See you all guys in my next video. Ta-da!